A stronger, reliable splice does not happen by chance. It comes down to controlling the process. Here's how to keep splices working on point. Work safely. A safe work site ensures focus. No job is more important than personal safety. Maintain your equipment. A well-maintained press and tools mean better and more consistent results. Make sure you have everything you need. No missing components, tools, or materials. That's a recipe for failure. Double check before you start. Using the right press ensures the press is properly sized for your splice to apply even pressure and a single cure. If multiple plattens are used, it is recommended that a solid cure tin over the entire splice be used. It is highly recommended to not cure a splice with multiple cures. Follow procedures, no shortcuts. Cutting corners leads to weak splices and costly failures. Stick to the correct process. And as always, document everything. Keeping records of each splice helps track performance and improves future splices. When you control the process, you control quality. And that means less downtime and longer lasting belts.